Salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous tous allez très bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent is an institute that teaches foreign languages for job or immigration purpose. So we provide 2-year job-oriented courses here at Language Fluent. For further details, you can contact us or you can simply download the application link which is there in the description box. Alors, aujourd'hui on va étudier les adverbes en français. Today we will learn about adverbs in French. We know that adverbs are the words or phrases that modify another verb, another adverb or an adjective. In French, adverbs are formed out of adjectives. The only thing we need to remember are the rules to form an adverb. Alors, let's get started. So, adverbs in French are known as les adverbes. Les adverbes. And as I said, formation of adverbs is done from adjectives. So here are rules. Rule 1 is add ment to the feminine form of adjective. So when we have an adjective in a sentence, we just make that adjective to feminine form and we add ment to it. For example, we have active. Active means active. So this is masculine adjective. We make it feminine. So we write active. This is the feminine form of adjective. And then we add ment. So it becomes activement. Activement, which is an adverb. The second example is joyeux. Joyeux, which is happy in English. So this is again masculine adjective. So we make it feminine. So it is joyeuse. So this is feminine adjective. Again, after making it feminine, we add ment to it. So it becomes joyeusement. Joyeusement. This is the first and the basic rule. The second rule is for adjectives ending in vowels, we just add ment. So when we have an adjective in a sentence that already ends with a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, we just add ment to it to make it adverb. So, for example, we have jolie. Jolie means pretty in English. So here it ends with I, which is a vowel. So we just add ment. So it becomes joliment. Joliment. The second example we have is poli. Poli is polite in English. So this again ends with I, which is a vowel. So we add ment. So it becomes poliment. Poliment, which is an adverb. This is the second rule. Third rule is for adjectives ending in ent, we make it ement. So when we have an adjective that ends with ent, we cut or we eliminate ent and we add ement to that adjective and this becomes an adverb. For example, we have prudent. Prudent, which means prudent. So here it ends with ent. So we cut ent and we write ement. So it becomes prudemment. Prudemment, which is an adverb. But we have few exceptions over here. So first exception is lent. Lent is slow. We know that it ends with ent. But we don't cut this and we don't add ement. Instead, we make it feminine. So we write lente to make it feminine and we add ment to it. So it becomes lentement. Lentement. The second exception is présent. Présent means present in English. Again, présent ends in ent but we make it feminine and we add ment to it. For example, presente is a feminine form and we add ment. So it becomes présentement. Présentement. So in these two exceptions, we apply rule number 1. This is just exceptions, but the basic rule is for adjectives that ends with ent, we make it ement by eliminating ent. This is the third rule. The fourth rule is for adjectives ending in ant, we make it amment. So here we have an example, constant. Constant, which is constant in English. So here ANT is the ending of constant. So we eliminate ANT, we cut ANT and we add AMMENT. So it becomes constamo. Constamo. And this is an adverb. The fifth rule which you need to remember is some adjectives remain the same as adverbs. This is a very important rule. So here we have adjectives and these are adverbs as well. For example, we have with. With means fast in English. So with is an adjective and this is an adverb as well. So it remains with itself. Then we have Sudha. Sudha, which is sudden. This is an adjective and Sudha is an adverb as well. Then we have for, which is strong. So here this is an adjective and this is an adverb as well. And the last example is share. Share is there. So here share is considered to be adjective and adverb as well. So you need to remember this last and very important rule that some adjectives remain the same as adverbs and these are the important 4 examples to it. Maintenant, on va regarder quelques exemples. So now we will look at few examples so that you get a clear idea how to make an adverb. So here we have a note. So wherever I have done a star mark, it means that's an exception. So you need to remember it as it is. You need to memorize that. For example, we have first one, bon. Bon means good and adverb form of bon is bien. So here I have done a star mark. That means you need to remember that when we have a bon in a sentence, to make it an adverb, we write bien. Bien. Second we have is share. Here we know that adverb form of share is share itself. So it remains share. Third is do. Do. So here we have masculine adjective. So we make it feminine. To make it feminine, we write douce and then we add ment at the end. So do is sweet and adverb is doucement. Doucement. Fourth we have is heureuse. Heureuse is happy. So again this is masculine adjective. We make it feminine and we write ment. So here we write HEUREUSE and we add ment. So it becomes heureusement. Heureusement. And this is an adverb. Then we have jolie. As we have seen earlier, jolie ends with I, which is a vowel. So here we just add ment. So it becomes joliment. Joliment. Then we have long. Again, this we have seen earlier that it is an exception. So here we make it feminine and then we add ment. So it becomes longtemps. Longtemps. Then we have mauvais. Mauvais means bad. To make an adverb out of mauvais, we write mal. So the adverb of mauvais is mal. You need to memorize this. Mal. Then we have première. Première means first. So this is also an example. Here to make adverb out of première, we write d'abord. D'abord. So this is adverb of première. Then we have sec. Here we have a masculine adjective. So we make feminine out of it. So we write SECHE and then we add ment. So it becomes sèchement. Sèchement. And this is an adverb. Then we have vrai. Vrai, here we know that it ends with vowel. I is a vowel. So we just add ment to it and it becomes vraiment. Vraiment, which means truly. Then we have for. And as we have seen earlier, for remains for as it is. Then we have beau. Beau is beautiful. To make this an adverb, we make it feminine. So we write belle. Belle is a feminine adjective and we add ment. So it becomes belle. Then we have gentil. Gentil is kind. Gentil is a masculine adjective. But here this is an exception. We write gentiment. Gentiment. This is an exception. You need to memorize this as it is. So this is gentiment, which is an adverb. Thank you. Alors, we are at the end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Do hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our updates. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. To register for the full courses at Language Fluent, you can contact us or you can fill the form which is there in the description box. We also provide translator and interpreter services here at Language Fluent. Alors, hope to see you guys in the next lecture. A bientôt, merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.